This Lodge cast iron 4-piece cookware set is a must-have for any kitchen, whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting your culinary journey. Cast iron is known for its unbeatable heat retention and even cooking, making it the perfect tool for everything from searing meats to baking delicate breads. This set includes a 10.25-inch skillet, 10.5-inch griddle, and 5-quart Dutch oven, all seasoned with 100% vegetable oil for an immediate non-stick experience that improves with every use. Lodge, a brand with over 120 years of experience in making cast iron cookware, delivers high-quality products that are built to last. Whether you're cooking on the stovetop, in the oven, over a grill, or even on a campfire, the Lodge cast iron cookware set excels at providing consistent and flavorful results. Let's dive into why this set should be your go-to cooking companion. Why the Lodge cast iron 4-piece cookware set is essential for your kitchen. Number 1. Unbeatable heat retention and even cooking. One of the key features of the Lodge cast iron cookware set is its superior heat retention. Cast iron is renowned for its ability to hold and evenly distribute heat, making it ideal for cooking a variety of dishes. Whether you're searing a steak, simmering a stew, or baking a loaf of bread, this cookware ensures that heat is evenly distributed across the surface, resulting in consistent cooking and delicious outcomes every time. Sear meats to perfection, with a crisp crust on the outside while keeping the inside tender. Simmer sauces or stews for hours without worrying about hot spots or burning. Bake cornbread, pizza, or frittatas with a perfectly golden crust. Number 2. Versatility. Across all heat sources, the Lodge cast iron 4-piece set is incredibly versatile and can be used on all heat sources, including gas stoves, electric stovetops, induction, campfires, and even barbecues. Whether you're cooking indoors or enjoying the great outdoors, this cookware set adapts to your cooking needs. Stovetop. Use the skillet or griddle for frying, sautéing, and searing. Oven. Place the Dutch oven in the oven to bake or roast your favorite dishes. Campfire. Take the cast iron cookware on your next camping trip and cook over an open flame. Number 3. Pre-seasoned and ready to use. With the Lodge cast iron 4-piece cookware set, you don't need to worry about seasoning your cookware before use. The set comes pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, providing a natural non-stick surface that improves the more you use it. Unlike other non-stick pans, this cast iron set is chemical-free and develops a natural seasoning over time, enhancing its cooking performance. Number 4. Built to last. Lodge cast iron cookware is known for its durability and ability to last for generations. Made in the USA, each piece is designed to withstand the test of time. Whether you're cooking on a daily basis or using it occasionally, this cookware is built to be passed down for decades, making it a great investment for your kitchen. Number 5. Perfect for every cooking style. Whether you prefer slow cooking, searing, baking, or frying, the Lodge cast iron cookware set is designed to handle it all. The set includes a 10.25-inch skillet, 10.5-inch griddle, and 5-quart Dutch oven, all of which can be used for a wide range of cooking techniques. Key features of the Lodge cast iron 4-piece cookware set. Pre-seasoned cast iron for a natural, non-stick surface that improves with each use. Perfect heat retention for even cooking and consistent results. Versatile, suitable for all heat sources including stovetops, ovens, grills, and campfires. Durable construction, built to last for decades, perfect for daily use or special occasions. Made in the USA, Lodge is a trusted, family-owned company with over 120 years of experience. Includes 10.25-inch skillet, 10.5-inch round griddle, 5-quart Dutch oven, and Dutch oven lid. Who should buy the Lodge cast iron 4-piece cookware set? Home cooks looking for reliable, high-quality cookware that can handle a variety of cooking techniques. Professional chefs seeking cookware that provides even heat distribution and excellent heat retention for flawless cooking results. Outdoor enthusiasts who need durable cookware for camping or grilling. Gift givers who want to provide a thoughtful, practical gift for friends or family members who enjoy cooking. Conclusion. The Lodge cast iron 4-piece cookware set is an essential addition to any kitchen. With its pre-seasoned surface, versatile design, and exceptional heat retention, this set will elevate your cooking game. Whether you're searing steaks, baking bread, or preparing a slow-cooked stew, Lodge cast iron provides the durability and performance you need. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.